hiccup. It's no problem. People that are watching this, I just got back from Hawaii and a bit jet lagged. This is Veronica. You may know where. Wow. Okay. So I'm here to tell you things birds from Hawaii. So I went to the North Shore volcano and the Big Island. So let's hop into some birds. You don't want to be up here, do you? So there's a bird that's named, well, it's next up, but I'll call it the hoo-hoo bird because it's always the mating season and it does this. Hoo-hoo, 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 hoo-hoo. So I maybe looked a bit of an idiot there, but there's next the barred dog, and I can't say much. He's like, "Ooh," and when he walks, he does this. So he's weird, kind of that way. Next is the common myna. If I think I'm saying that right. So he does this when he walks every step. He looks really weird, and sometimes he does this. And then if he runs, he doesn't do that really fast. He does this. But he hops like an idiot. And then he makes this one. The red-crested something. I don't know. He makes this noise. Oh, I call him the red hat because on the top of his hat, fuck. Oh. I am. Whoa. Wait, you can't cut on anything. Hi. I said fudge. I didn't say anything else. He has like a red hat. Hiccups.
Maybe we'll have to do it again. We don't
Hiccups.
have hiccups.
No. Hiccups. Red hat. And he chirps like this. Chirp. 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 Then there's the, I don't know what the name is, but it's invasive. So it ended up just black hat. It has a black hat. And then finally, this is very annoying as the hiccups, but it shouldn't be a problem. The cattle egret, named cattle egret, probably because it hangs around cattle, and it's like, so pretty much has long legs, big body, and a tall neck and a stupid. Before I get to that, I call him a stooker because he was like on a brick wall, and he was like staring at me. He's like, so he's kind of stalking me, and don't ask why, because I have no idea, but somehow I changed stalker to stook. I have no idea how, but somehow I did. But he walks like this. Oh, okay. He walks like this, and then if he runs, he does this. Whoa, okay. He runs like this. That's about it. Wait, don't stop. Don't. Okay, where's the camera on that?